Welcome to another episode of Don't Keep Up with the Joneses, Try It edition. And yeah, like I said, this is a new edition, a new segment that we're doing on the Don't Keep Up with the Joneses family channel. And this one is all about trying different things that you've probably seen on the internet, that you've probably seen on Instagram, that you've probably seen somewhere, commercials or whatever, and you're like, I wonder what it's like to really try it or to have it, or should I really buy it? Well, we look at those things too, and we get caught up in the sauce. And Ricky's in the background, so you're gonna hear a little rustling, but hey, it's keeping him busy. Anyway, and this is the first edition of it, and today it's about curtains. Yeah. Let me get my shades. I need my shades for this. So today is all about curtains, and so here's the scenario. Long story short, our kids, of course, they share a room because Rain didn't want to be in a room without her little brother Ricky. So we're like, cool, no problem. The thing is, Ricky gets up like 7:15 on the dot, unless we really need him to. But he gets up, and I think it's because the sunlight comes in, it wakes him up because he realized nighttime is over, daytime is here, I need to wake up, so parents come and get me, because he like yells and all that good stuff. So anyway, I was like, oh man, I need a solution. And of course, it's the Christmas time, Christmas season. I'm not trying to spend the extra coins on things that are not like toys, games, all the other things that the kids and the mom and the parents and not thank you, sir. Once. So I went on Groupon. I went on Groupon and I found these blackout shades. I ordered it. I think it took about a week to get here. And this is the packaging. This is how it came. Probably should have turned it this way. But you can't even see the address anyway. Like on the looks of it, the packaging is pretty bad. There's like a hole in it. I think there's another hole. There's a little tear at the top. It looks like somebody did this as like a Christmas project, not really cared about the product. But anyway, it's all good. So I'm gonna just use the hole that they started and tear it open. All right, boom. So this is what it looks like. I chose gray. Oh man, it gets worse. Like, look at this. Look at this. This is my order. Oh my gosh. Whew. It's terrible. It's like somebody took a bite out of crime. Look at that. All right. Oh man, it gets worse. Whew. It's my first time ordering any product from Groupon. I've only ordered services such as like carpet cleaning and things like that from Groupon. So first off, it's not the best. It's like wrinkled at the top. I guess it got wet during transport, because it looks bad, y'all. Like, it really does. Yeah, it does, Ricky. It's almost like it was purchased, returned, and they're sending it to me. Alright, whatever. I'm gonna keep giving it a try, because I'm hoping this really works. Let's see. Wow. Okay. That was very easy to get it off. Alright. Alright. And this is the length. So it's touching the floor. Alright. Great length. It's actually the length that I was hoping it would be. It had like some weird like inches measurements, and I was like, I really don't know what this is. I just went for the longest one. So I'm gonna go ahead and give it a try. It's kind of daylight. It's about to be nighttime. It's raining here, so you're not gonna get the full effect of the sun to night ratio, but you get a good idea from sun to darkness, because ideally we want darkness because the kids need to stay to sleep. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and give this a try. I'm really excited to see what it looks like going up. Hit that like button if you haven't already. If you're interested in things like this, hit the like button so we know that these are videos that you like or maybe you want. Hit us up in the comment section to let us know different things maybe you want to try and want us to try first, because we're going to be honest about it. We're going to show you if it's packaging, how it came, pricing, if it's worth the price, yada, 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 yada. We'll let you know. All right, so let's go ahead and go to the room. Yeah. All right, so maybe as you can kind of see, there is little sunlight, very low sunlight, because it's raining outside. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay. Yeah, I'm in this room, so he's like, oh, why you in my room? Okay, alright. Thank you, sir. Had to take my glasses off, had to do some construction in the back. So anyway, let's go ahead and hang these drapes up now. And hopefully what we see now, we won't see once the drapes are up, which is light. Okay? Alright, let's do it. So ideally, I should be able to close the blinds. I don't have to close the blinds. I should be able to close the drapes, turn the lights off, and it should be pitch black. If these really are, what's it called? If these really are like blackout curtains, which when I purchased them, they said they were. So let's see. Ah. Light. Dark. Light. Dark. I must say, I am impressed. It actually are blackout curtains. So this is a win for me so far. And I'm excited for the kids to be able to get in here, sleep throughout the night because they don't know when it's daytime because it'll be pitch black in here as it is in our bedroom. So this is a win. It's a win. The package wasn't great. I was a little skeptical in the beginning. I was wondering what the product would be like. But, you know, it has your regular folded wrinkles, not too many wrinkles to get out of hand or get mad or any fuss about anything. So, you know, checks on that. The blackout curtains actually do work. They are the length that I expected them to be, wanted them to be, needed them to be. And the color is a good color. They're consistent on both sides. They're the gray that I picked out. The gray that actually matches the crib, as you can see here. So that was a check to that. Blackout works, check. The price was good, it was on sale, check. The packaging, lose points there. But overall, I would suggest you to get it. You know, so go for it. Groupon has blackout curtains at a great cost that obviously you see really do work. So that's it for the first episode of Try It edition for Don't Keep Up with the Joneses. I'm so excited for all that we have in store for you. And until next time, we love you all. Peace, peace, peace. To the next video.